Hi, I'm John from Jofa Resins, and I'm here to present you the titanium rock resin by ATRIA. This is a phenomenal resin. It's lovely. We got different colors, and something that I really like about this product is the flexibility. And because it's flexible, you don't have to put any mesh when you do the floor preparation. Okay, you're gonna achieve a similar effect with the concrete effect, something similar to the micro effect finish. Now, what's the advantage of this is something that I want to show you. I want you to come closer, and I want you to see this. Okay, the scratch resistance on this product is phenomenal. Look at that. See? Can you see the coin? Look at the mark on the coin. Now, you see tiny marks, but that's from the coin. Look, I'm just gonna clean that. And everything is gone. Zero scratches. You can try with this metal one. Nothing happens, okay? Now, we got different colors and we got exclusive distribution in the UK. So if you need any of these products, if you want more information, get in contact with us. And we're gonna have a demonstration here. We're gonna do this floor here, which is about 5 to 6 square meters. We're gonna do it today, so probably by tomorrow we're gonna have the final finish, and we're gonna do like a grey concrete effect. It comes in different colors. We want to do a concrete effect, and if you're looking for a white color, this is something nice as well. You're gonna be able to apply vertical as well on your walls, shower rooms, any type of application that you want to do. Your countertops, you can do it as well. Okay. Thank you very much. Arrivederci.